Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my video. Today we will learn about some opposite words meanings. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like this video. If you like this video and share then this video can reach many people. Let's go to the video. Opposite words. Agree, refuse. Agree, refuse. Angel, devil. Angel, devil. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Catch, miss. Catch, miss. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Complete, incomplete. Complete, incomplete. Day, night. Day, night. Defeat, victory. Defeat, victory. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Earn, spend. Earn, spend. Early, late. Early, late. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Fresh, stale. Fresh, stale. Front, back. Front, back. Friend, enemy. Friend, enemy. Full, empty. Full, empty. Good, bad. Good, bad. Give, take. Give, take. Girl, boy. Girl, boy. Guide, misguide. Guide, misguide. Gain, loss. Gain, loss. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Hanner, shame. Hanner, shame. Inner, outer. Inner, outer. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Junior, senior. Junior, senior. Laugh, cry. Laugh, cry, low, high, low, high, make, destroy, make, destroy, necessary, unnecessary, necessary, unnecessary, over, under, over, under, peace, war, peace, war, pleasure, pain, pleasure, pain, rich, poor, rich, poor, small, big, small, big, slow, quick, slow, quick, smooth, rough, smooth, rough, sweet, bitter, sweet, bitter, silence, noise, silence, noise, true, false, true, false, tall, short, tall, short, there, here, there, here, thick, thin, thick, thin, useful, useless, useful, useless, win, loss, win, loss, weak, strong, weak, strong, written, oral, written, oral, wide, narrow, wide, narrow. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.